BJP's new recruit Khushbu Sundar met with an accident when a container rammed into her car as she was on her way to join the Vel Yatra. Now, the leader posted pictures of the accident on Twitter and even went on to suggest that there could be more than meets the eye. She has tweeted, in fact, and I quote, "Met with an accident near Melvarathur. A tanker rammed into us. With your blessings and God's grace, I'm safe. Will continue my journey towards Cuddalore to participate in Vel Yatra. Request the press to understand that a container rammed into me and not the other way. Police are investigating and questioning the driver to rule out any foul play," unquote. Apurva, my colleague, is also tracking the latest and joining us over the phone line. In fact, she's joining us live. Apurva, what more can you tell us? First up, what is that that the police is saying as far as this accident is concerned? Because Khushbu Sundar claims the police was interrogating the driver.
Well, that's right. In fact, the accident has...
All right. In fact, let me take that to Khushbu Sundar herself. She's joining us over the phone line. I hope that you're fine, Khushbu, completely health-wise. Anything more that you can tell us about the driver or the container that rammed into your car?
I have an impact on my left shoulder, so I'm heading towards the doctor to check why there's this pain on the left shoulder. There's no external injury. It's just that we were on the right track and this container just rammed into us while trying to overtake another car. Now the cops have apprehended the driver and they're investigating whether it was an accident or there's any kind of a foul play in it. So I leave it to the cops to take a call on that because they do their jobs better. So we'll know in a few days' time.
But you seem to suspect some foul play?
No, I do not suspect any foul play because I just don't want to jump to conclusions. We see these kind of accidents happening on highways most of the time. The drivers are careless. It's either a case of drunken driving or the drivers are completely reckless because they think they're driving a huge car, so they own the roads. We see these kind of mindset drivers. So the police is investigating since I was on the way for a political meeting. The cops say that they have to do their duty, so they will continue to investigate. Till they don't come to a conclusion.
Right. No, I understand that. I do have to ask you because this has happened. Do you feel that there is any threat to you or your life?
I haven't been receiving threat as such, but then, of course, over a period of time since I've joined BJP, there have been on and off kind of threats, which I haven't taken it very seriously. Neither I have filed a complaint about it because I see these kind of threats coming all over.
Okay.
So I haven't taken it seriously. But I just hope that there's no foul play in this. This is just like any other accident, and I was, very fortunate where I missed death by a whisker. That's all I can say. It was a very, very close shave. If you see the way my car is damaged, people they are quite surprised that I have come out unscathed, not even a scratch. So we'll have to wait and watch.
And you hope, of course, that the police will get to the bottom of this. I just have to ask you one last question, Khushbu. I hope, of course, your shoulder is fine and do get medical attention for it. But there's a lot of heat that has been generated politically in Tamil Nadu because of the BJP's Vel Yatra. Anything that you would like to say to that?
See, Vel Yatra is something we believe in, something, and we're taking it forward. We are not forcing it on the people of Tamil Nadu. We are not forcing it on the people saying that you have to, it's a compulsion, you have to join us. We have taken the initiative. It's like you wake up in the morning and you pray to God. It's a way of showing. We have different kinds of festivals, and this is Vel Yatra is something which we want to do it, go to Tiruchendur and finish it. We say that there are 6 houses of Murugan. Our Padavid is what we say. So we're going to 6 different places of Murugan where he had stayed, and we are finally going to Tiruchendur. And that's where we finished the Yatra on the 7th of December. It's something which the BJP has decided to take it forward because of the belief. Now, this is not something which, like the opposition says that it is an imposition. Where is an imposition? Did we ever say that people have to get involved? Did we say that people have to join? No, it's open for all. Whoever wants to join can come and join us. It's about the beliefs you have. So there's no imposition. You talk about Hindi imposition, which is absolutely not right. Now you talk about this Vel Yatra saying there's an imposition. So you cannot do everything that BJP does. Now everything cannot be turned into political. BJP has better things to do. What the Prime Minister is doing is working for the country of these people. We are seeing at the border, we are seeing that how the COVID pandemic, we have been fighting and we have been trying to get a control over it. But if the opposition is going to find problem with everything, that just shows that we are on the right track and the opposition parties are scared.
Right.
So the fear, we have installed the fear that BJP is a huge power which they will be seeing in 2021 election.
All right. Khushbu, Sundar, thanks a lot for speaking to us. Politics aside, we certainly hope that you continue to remain fit and healthy.